table of plenties, Kate is joining me today to talk all things kefir. This is one of my new favourite products. It is so versatile and so yummy.
It is. Look, I'm so thrilled with this product. It took us 2 years to develop, and it's a fresh product. We've slow fermented, full of probiotics, great for your gut. Yep. And I'm going to show you how to use it in like a really simple go-to breakfast thing. It's an overnight oats with kefir and chia, and it's amazing.
Yum. So what goes in the bowl first?
Well, if you just pop literally everything. So we've got some whole grain oats.
Okay.
Use the whole ones, not the quick ones.
Okay.
Get more fibre. Some chia for fibre.
And these are going to double in size and become quite soft.
Exactly. And then we've got some flavour coming through from spices. Turmeric, which is an amazing anti-inflammatory. So this is a health boost as well as tasting amazing.
I love these little ideas for breakfast. I mean, I sometimes get in a rut and always have toast. But having these, preparing them the night before is a great change. Cinnamon.
So cinnamon, ginger, and a bit of cardamom. If you don't like cardamom, you can leave it out. Not everyone likes it. And the good thing about these is they will keep for a good 3-4 days. So if you make them on a Sunday, you can grab them on the way in the morning.
That smells amazing, just there.
It does.
Nice. Okay, what goes in next?
So we're going to use our kefir, and this kefir is what's called slow fermented and pot set. So we literally put it in and shut the lid. It's a minimal processing, so you have to shake it, otherwise it's a bit lumpy, and it will smoothen out. I've got to get to half a cup. There we go. Nice. Will smooth out once you shake it, and you can keep on shaking it, and it just amazing. Okay. So pop that in.
I can do that for you. There we go. Kefir by itself is a great drink to have. It's a great substitute for milk and for yogurt.
Exactly. You don't always feel like sculling it, you know, straight. And it's just such an amazing superfood. That's about a teaspoon, or obviously to taste if you're a sweet tooth.
Yeah. And that's it.
And that is literally it. We pop it in a pot and just leave it overnight. And the nice thing when you leave it overnight is the oats will start to get soft and those chia seeds will gel it together. So it's just a delicious texture. And then I've made some over here. So these you can see what they're like after they've been in the fridge. So in the morning you just get your fruit, or we've got berries today.
Yeah, I mean you change up the berries depending on the season.
Exactly. In summer I put mango, you know, it's whatever.
Turmeric and passion fruit, that's a great idea too. Yeah. I mean, this is just a template to create it the way you like it.
So let's give it a go. I'm dying to get into one of these. Pretty good.
It is delicious. You know, in the morning, you don't want something too creamy, too heavy. It's slightly tangy from the kefir, and then fresh berries with it. It is so nice. And the spices.
Yeah, they just lift it. They really lift it and give it that extra zing.
That I'm going to add to my brekkie repertoire. Thanks, Kate.
I'm chuffed.